Yo, what is up, guys? So today we have a surprise for me. Bruce Bolt, Max Clark's. Alright, here we go. Let's open them. Woo! Look at those. Here, I'll show you one. Long cuff, by the way, Max Clark's. Here. And here's the left-handed one. This is my first pair of Bruce Bolts ever. Been begging for them. Comment down below. Short cuff or long cuff? Me personally, I like the long cuff for the extra wrist support. And they just look super nice. Here's the outside and here's the inside. Ready to hit some tanks today. I have a game today. Hit tanks. Alright, peace.